Welcome back to Team Rocket, and in today's video we will be looking back at the past 2 weeks of the class, and me and Oliver will be explaining the major breakthrough moments. Week 7 goal was to create an enclosed system that can isolate heat from reaching a yeast for 10 minutes. So this was the first system we decided to do. We decided to take a vegetable oil container and add an external fan to it that would be plugged in and would be able to push air and to suck the air out. We decided to use this by thinking that we could use it like a computer fan, but then we realized that the flame on the bottom would go against the metal and heat it up and it would become red hot. So we decided to do a different system that we're going to see in the next week.
Woo! Schnitzels! Yeah, I read that, that's good. I'm sure a lot of it is going to be like very not too good.
C'est juste une
Are
fan.
you filming?
Ouais.
Une fan avec juste une fan de l'air.
Well, basically.
Oh, that's hot.
Oh, that's hot.
It's working as intended. And you got the timer?
Bro, oh my god, that thing's
If something catches on fire,
After seeing this red hot container, we decided to scrap the idea and to create a new system. On week 8, we decided to create a new system for the yeast.
Hello, this is our new setup. So, the idea here is to create an air bubble that won't transmit the heat by contact. And yeah, it's working great. The white thingy on the top is still very cold, but it's the air that wraps around it and hits the bottle that is like making the heat climb. So yeah, it's working great. Maybe we'll like do some walls on the side to make sure the heat doesn't wrap around it, but it should work perfectly.
Faites ton lab de physique.
So, to change everything, we change one thing. We put the glass cover on top, and that's supposed to stop the air from wrapping around, getting our water. That was good. So those are our last seconds. It was at 21.1. It's now at 21.7, so that's a 0.6 expansion. This is our system with the wind blowing. We're liking the sound. We're having so much fun. And yeah, it's finished. And 21.8, just to say we upgrade crank one more.
We decided to use the same system and to change the water to some yeast.
So what's your plan, Julien?
The bordel, this is like really sketchy. Yes.
I want that wooden pass.
And so there's the environmental sensor, so pressure, humidity, temperature, stuff like that. And there's the air quality sensor, so TVOC and CO2 that are plugged in with the Arduino that are relaying stuff to the SD card. It really should be relaying stuff to the computer. This is a mess and I didn't think it through correctly. I should also learn how to make tighter packed circuits, because like, oh man, I maybe should have soldered that. I don't know. We need to make this better, because this is like, it's a mess.
It's a mess.
Awful. But it's what we got, and it runs, and like, it should give us stuff that's like interpretable.
We hope.
Yay.
After the 10 minutes, here is the data we obtained. We decided to put all the data in a graph so we can visually see the different changes.